Aloha and welcome to Caddell Cuisine. I'm personal chef Nadia Caddell and owner on the beautiful island of Kaua'i. Today I'm going to take you through how to make a vanilla bean simple syrup. If you want to go ahead and grab our copy of our cookbook, you're going to be able to find all of the ingredients and the measurements that you'll need for this recipe. So to start us off, we are going to slice our vanilla bean right down the middle. After slicing that down the middle, you're going to slice it all the way through the center, making sure to do the best you can to get most of the middle of the vanilla bean. The next thing that you're going to need is just a regular spoon. You can do this with a measurement spoon, but I find that it's a lot harder, so I like to go with just a regular spoon. The next thing you're going to want to do with the spoon and the vanilla bean is put pressure with your thumb on the vanilla bean as you roll the spoon up. This is going to help you collect as many of the vanilla beans as you possibly can. Then you're going to collect them on the spoon and save those for later. And same thing with the vanilla bean pods. Don't throw those away because we're going to use that in just a bit. You can next get your sugar ready and a small sauce pot and combine those together. And then you're going to use some filtered water. I always prefer filtered water because I always feel like I can taste the difference and it just helps this recipe. Then you are going to grab your vanilla bean pods and your spoon that has all of that precious vanilla bean paste. Now you're going to scrape those off carefully just because these can tend to fly. They're really, really light. And you're going to put those in the sauce pot. Then you're going to toss in the vanilla beans and then mix this thoroughly so that it can be completely incorporated. Then you're going to boil this on low, a really low to medium low heat for the next 15 to 20 minutes or 25 if you want to thicken it. After that's boiled and cooled, you can transfer that over into a glass container. And you're going to want to funnel this into a squirt bottle. This is how I prefer it, especially if you're making this for cocktails, or you can enjoy this with vanilla bean lattes or any other beverage. I feel like a squeeze bottle always helps. So make sure to use a funnel, and then you can label this with a date and time, and this can stay in your refrigerator up to a month. I hope that you enjoy it with some cocktails, mocktails, lemonades, teas, or your favorite coffee drink. Enjoy. Aloha.